Alright guys, so good morning. So today we're out here at Canyon Lake. I'm going to be doing some fishing with Alexis, who's home for her Christmas break. She flies back in about 2 days. So again, yeah, this is a lake she's never fished at before, so we're going to give it a go. And hopefully we can find some white bass or some stripers. So it's kind of a late start, which is fine because it is really cold. I think when we pulled up here it was 36, 38 degrees. So yeah, real chilly morning. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get lucky and just find these fish just feeding on the surface. If not, we're gonna have to go looking for them deep. So we'll see. Stay tuned. It's her last fishing trip before she goes back home. So wish us luck. See how we do. Guys, we are still looking. It's about 10:30 now, so I think we've been out for about 2 hours. Probably been looking for about 2 hours. I went up to the mouth of the river where it connects with the lake. I've gone to some of the deep parts by the dam where I've caught them before. We've checked several of the coves where we've caught them before, and we have not seen anything so far. No splashing, no birds. Nothing on the sonar. Right now we're just kind of trolling some baits just as we're looking, see if maybe we'll get lucky and something will hit it. But so far, zero. But my daughter did say it's a nice lake. Very nice, very clean, very large. Way bigger than the Calaveras where we're used to. So it's a lot more water for us to look for, trying to find these stupid fish. But we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna keep going. Still is cold, even though the sun's out. The only positive we have is that the wind's not killing us like it was yesterday. So we'll see. We might hang out a little bit longer. We might go check a couple more coves. Might just finish my cigar. And yeah, if we don't find anything else, we're probably going to be heading in. We got to have some dinner tonight, and then tomorrow, probably go watch a movie, maybe Wreck-It Ralph. And then she has to fly back home on Sunday. So you won't see her again until summer. So we'll see, you guys. We're going to keep giving it a go. Like I said, probably at least another hour. So stay tuned.
Did you already put it on?
Yeah, it's already on. I'm trying to get her to talk more, guys. So yeah, so we went for probably about another hour, and we did not see anything. So we obviously did not catch anything, but still had a great time, right? Probably better we had some fish, but it's always fun hanging out with Alexis. So enjoy the very short video. It's just going to be us talking, maybe a little bit of us driving. I forgot if I can't remember if I turned the camera on or not. But yeah, we will see y'all later. She'll be back in summer, hopefully June. I will go see her when she graduates. She'll be graduating from high school in May. So we'll be making a trip up there to go watch that up in Idaho. And yeah, so beyond that, enjoy the short video, and we'll see y'all later. All Bye. Bye.
Bye.